He's not being cooperative when asked about his vehicle, so you might have to get it towed if the bar doesn't want it.
I'm being cooperative.
Well, what do you want us to do with your truck then?
I'm being super cooperative. I want a lawyer! Help!
Okay. Zach will stay back as far as he can. As long as you're cooperative, Zach can just stay back. Okay, well.
Otherwise, I will resist and be a dick.
Okay, let's not do that. Okay.
Eau Claire, Wisconsin, an officer spots a truck partially blocking the road with the driver apparently asleep inside. The moment the driver sees the officer, he slams it into reverse and takes out another vehicle trying to get away. Then he runs. This is proof on record.
Nora 157 headquarters out checking.
Go ahead, Nora 157.
You're at the wigwam, start a second. Hey, come back here. Foot pursuit behind the wigwam. White male. Stop, police, stop. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here, stop. Stop, give me your hand. Now, relax, give me your hands. Hands behind your back.
The driver was later identified as a 31-year-old man named Joshua.
We're behind the wigwam right now. Got one. I know. No, I got it. 157 headquarters. It's 10-2. You just slow it down. Got one in custody. Hey, get up. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you good?
Don't blow it to my face.
Get up.
Don't blow it to my face.
Okay, well then get to your knees. We gotta stand you up.
Hey.
Stand up. What?
Don't blow it to my face.
I'm not going to. Stand up. Stand up. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Stand up. Okay. Yeah, if you want to help me get him up. Just grab under this. I don't want to hurt her shoulder. Okay, cool. Let's go. Come on.
Hey,
let's go.
Let me breathe real quick, huh?
No, we're gonna walk. You can breathe and walk.
Let me breathe real quick. Hold on, hold on.
Let's go. Where's your ID at, man?
None of your fucking business.
Okay. 157, 151. Can you come around back? Appreciate it, man. Yeah, of course.
Hey, you don't have permission for that.
You're under arrest.
You don't have permission for that.
Okay.
You don't have permission. You do not have permission for nothing. Baby.
Alright, we'll talk over here, okay? Just go in front of the car for me. Alright, should be good, and then I can help me, and then we'll get your stuff, information and everything. Can you spread your feet for me?
No.
He's passed out as he was pulling out, and I slowed down to wait for him, and then he saw me, slammed it in reverse, hit their car, and then got out and ran.
So whose van is that? Your van back there?
Okay, sounds good.
I'm just gonna go look at it because I haven't even looked at it.
Yeah,
yet.
that sounds good.
I'll be over there in a minute.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah. What's your name, man?
Joshua.
Joshua what? What?
Can I pee real quick?
No. Was it Joshua what?
Why are you being a bitch?
Because you just tried to walk away.
No, I did not walk away.
you
I
just
looked
said-
at
and
I
you
looked
got
at
one
you.
in
I said,
custody.
why are you being a
You just said
I'm not
you
saying
said F you, then turned to walk away.
you? I looked at you. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, what's up?
What's your name?
Joshua.
Joshua what?
I'm relaxed, man.
Joshua, what is your last name? Josh.
Give me a word.
What?
Lord.
You tried. Josh.
I'm not letting.
You're just tighten up. You're
my
good.
arm is. You guys have my arm locked up. I don't let go nothing. Okay. You have my arm locked up.
Down to my car, okay. Because it's gonna be a 5 line. Let's go the other way then. Okay.
Yeah.
Here, we'll see you in the back of the car.
Okay.
Watch your head getting in. Oh yeah, this side.
Zach, why don't you go down to the hospital and do paperwork there?
The foot pursuit ends quickly. Joshua is in custody behind the wigwam. He has 4 things working against him before anyone says a word. He was asleep in a running vehicle. He fled when he saw police. He hit a parked car doing it, and he ran on foot. That sequence alone tells the story before a single sobriety test is administered.
Go with them. I'll take care of the crash. Okay.
In the truck or like right behind it?
He was in the truck. He crashed.
Back into it or?
So he was like half pulled out, and he was like doing this whole thing, and I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna see what he's gonna do. So I stopped right here. Didn't hit my lights yet. Just had my arrow on, and then sees me. Looks like this, and just slams it in reverse, goes right into, hey, what's up, man?
Is that the Mexican dude?
No, different guy. Goes right into these people, and then gets out, and I'm like, hey, please stop. Takes off running. And then I chase him down.
Sounds good. You good?
Yeah. Oh, sounds good.
The only thing I didn't look through is the vape pens, just to make sure it's
Go ahead. Okay.
actually good. I'll meet you over at
Hey, Josh. Josh, what do you want us to do with your truck?
Lawyer.
Huh?
Lawyer.
Move it, park it. What do you want us to do?
Lawyer.
Huh?
A lawyer.
A lawyer? Okay. Well, what about your truck?
A lawyer.
Can we move your truck, or are you not going to give us permission? He's not being cooperative when asked about his vehicle, so you might have to get it towed if the bar doesn't want it.
I'm being cooperative.
Well, what do you want us to do with your truck
I'm
then?
being super cooperative.
Okay, what do you want us to do with your truck then?
It's not my truck.
Well, what do you want us to do with the truck you...
I'm not a fucking valid driver for that truck. I'm not fucking valid for that anything. Okay. Whatever you say, whatever, man. I need a lawyer.
What?
I need a lawyer. A lawyer.
Would you like to complete some field sobriety tests, Josh?
Nope.
Okay.
I ain't doing shit for you.
Okay.
You're a bitch.
Say that again? I didn't hear what you said. What did you say? I didn't hear what you said, though. What did you say? You had made a comment prior to saying that?
Shut the fuck up. I'm taking me to county.
Okay. Josh,
I want a lawyer.
can you wake up?
I want a lawyer. I want a lawyer.
I'm not asking anything right now. I just have to read you something.
I don't give a fuck what you read me. I want a lawyer. Just shut the fuck up and give me a lawyer. Shut the fuck up and give me a lawyer.
Just hold on.
No. Hold on, nothing. I want a lawyer. I want a lawyer. I don't want to hear nothing you say. I want a lawyer.
I have to read
I want a lawyer. 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 I want a lawyer.
Hey, Josh.
I want a lawyer.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure you...
I want a lawyer. I don't give a fuck what you want. I want to know I have the right to have a lawyer present when you ask me any question, anything.
Yeah,
I know my rights. I want a lawyer. I want a public defender or a lawyer. I want 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 somebody to know. Yeah. I want a lawyer. 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 I want want a lawyer.
Controlled
want
substances
the
in
lawyer.
your blood.
I want a lawyer.
Will you submit to an evidentiary chemical test of
want
your
a
blood?
lawyer.
Yes or no?
I want a lawyer. Can I ask somebody else?
What's up?
Can I ask for a different cop?
No.
What do you mean no? The f you talking about? No. I deserve another cop. Hey, can I please have a different police officer, please? Can I have somebody else, please?
That's not an option.
What do you mean it's not an option? Alright. So you then.
Son?
Yeah, whatever. For what? For what reason? What did I do to you? What did I do? What did I do to you, personally?
Nothing. I'm not being
Yeah, alright. Now you are being cruel and unusual. Because I can't even feel my fingertips. Yeah.
Can you lean forward?
And I'm asking for somebody else to take me to jail.
I'll tell you what, I'll check your handcuffs here in a second, okay?
For what reason? I've cooperated too. Haven't I?
No.
Have I resisted? I resisted?
You did.
Did I fight you?
You resisted me when I was trying to put you in handcuffs and you ran from me.
Oh my fucking
And
god.
you crashed into somebody else's car.
Shut the up. You're f***ing lying.
Okay, I was just telling you what to do. That's all.
Go away. I want somebody else. Help! Bet. Help me, please. Somebody help me. Yeah, see?
Josh, the whole thing, we gotta do this.
I'll talk to somebody else. I'll talk to you.
Okay, hey Josh, I'm Bridget with the police department. I'm the supervisor on shift, okay? We're here to do a blood draw.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna unstrap you. I'm gonna have you get out with me and we'll walk in nice.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
I want him to stay away from me.
Okay. Where are you hooked in here? Over here. These ones are new. Okay, this is Jake. He's gonna help me then, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I want him to stay away from me.
Okay. Zach will stay back as far as he can. As long as you're cooperative,
I want
Zach
him
can
to
just
stay
stay
away
back.
from me.
Okay, well,
Otherwise, I will resist and be a dick.
okay, let's
But
not
I
do
want
that.
him to
Okay.
stay away from me.
We'll go in here and the security guards can help us as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
I need to stay away from me.
Okay. You don't get to dictate all of that. He's staying back.
I
Okay?
do dictate that shit. He needs to stay away from me.
Okay, he is staying away from you, but he's the officer on the call, so he has to be with. He's gonna stand over there.
I want him out of here. I really want him out
I
of here.
understand you do. He can
Oh,
stand
well, then
back
get my
there.
lawyer here. Then get my lawyer.
Okay.
Get
You
my
have to
lawyer
draw your
present.
blood.
I want him out of here.
Okay, he's gonna
I want
stand
him
back
out of
there.
here. I want him out of here. Out of this room. For real.
Nope.
That's a thing. It's actually relevant. If you look at statute
Okay.
226-59.
Hey, Josh, you said you were gonna be cool with me. If you
I
gave
am
me your
cool.
space,
I
okay?
want him out of here.
He's giving
I'll
your
give you.
space. He's giving you space. You're
I'll
dealing with
I'll
us,
be
and you're gonna
cooperative.
deal with lab tech, and I handcuffed you in front.
I don't want him taking me nowhere. Can you please?
Yeah.
Hoop, you wanna pull up your car?
Can you?
Yep. I'll stay here with him.
Okay, stay right here with him. He's gonna pull up his car. He'll take care
Thank
of
you. Thank you. I appreciate you.
He's already not taking you to jail.
I don't
Let's
want
not
him in
say-
my f***ing face
It's not
either.
Okay, he's not in your face. He's like 10 feet
He
away.
is. He's not
He's
10
not
feet
in
away.
my-
He's 5 feet away.
Okay, I'm not gonna argue. He's taking
I
you
don't
to
care.
jail. Thanks for being cool.
Can I have a cigarette, please?
No, we cannot get you a cigarette.
Cool.
Okay. Well, we'll have you get John. Jake will have you go pee at the jail. Okay. Thank you guys.
Not like you.
Not like Zach. And the blood draw. Thank you guys.
Back at the scene, the witness confirms everything. Asleep at the wheel, saw the officer, slammed into reverse, hit the car, ran. Joshua asks for a lawyer and refuses field sobriety tests. Both of those are his legal rights, and he is correct to use them. Refusing field sobriety tests in Wisconsin cannot be used as evidence of guilt at trial. Invoking a lawyer stops questioning. He knows this. He says so. What he cannot do is talk his way out of what was already on camera before he opened his mouth.
You guys both in the car?
Yeah. Yep. Okay. Yep. Unfortunately.
Injuries?
Nope. Nope. We're fine. Great.
Ooh, oh, jeez.
I'm out here being nosy, face ass.
I don't care if you're out here.
Oh, I know this guy, shit.
You guys have your licenses with you?
Yep.
Insurance card?
It's on my phone.
Oh, that's
I am not.
actually what's up, though. He back with y'all?
He was like asleep. He was asleep.
151, 157. Can you just figure out what he wants to do with the vehicle when you get a second?
And then when
Where'd he
they
go?
stopped and they turned lights on, he backed out, back in super hard. And
You know what's so funny? This motherfucking car has been sitting here for at least close to an hour, bro.
The truck?
Yeah. The truck has been sitting there for close to a fucking hour now. Because I was out here earlier with the dude, Anna talking to.
We were literally just about to call 911 too because we saw him sleeping.
Yeah, we got
took a picture of his plate and
obviously.
stuff, and then this happened like literally 10 seconds after.
You guys aren't injured, correct?
Nope, we're good.
Boy, see, y'all better than me, but I'd have been laying
Just
underneath the
old.
car somewhere. You hear me? Shit.
Oh, my back.
Right in between. I'd be like, back up a little bit and let me get in between both bumpers. You know what I'm saying?
Check, he said.
I'd be like, back up, let me get in between both bumpers real quick.
That's what we call fraud, my friend.
No, I know. I'm
I mean,
just playing.
that was
around.
good. That was good fish, but I don't know if it was worth that. Jesus Christ.
Right?
How's it going? You got a car blocking your exit lot here. The driver's not going to be able to move it. Who do you guys want to tow it?
Oh, fuck.
Do you care?
No.
Do you want to tow it?
I do know. I see Chad's towing quite a bit around
Do
here.
you want Chance to tow it?
No, I don't care.
Yeah, it really doesn't.
But you want to tow
It
it.
doesn't matter.
That's the exit. 'Cause this way is the
That's the exit, yeah. You want it towed?
Yeah, I think we have no choice.
Yeah.
Alright, I just gotta,
Christmas party tonight. I think we get it out of the way.
I gotta ask you guys, no problem.
You've been working on car for a long time, man.
6 years. Is that
I know.
Is that a long, is that a long time?
I remember you.
do?
Like 4.5 years ago.
I feel like you do your job efficiently.
Good. Well, I hope so. I appreciate that.
You're great,
I appreciate
man.
that.
Much love.
Definitely help them out.
Good. I'm glad I could do that. But you guys enjoy the night.
You
Okay?
have a great one, man.
Thanks. You too. Nora 151 headquarters. Can I get a no perfect store request?
The blood draw happens. A supervisor steps in. A different officer transports him. He gets his request for distance from the original officer accommodated within reason. He thanks everyone. He asks for a cigarette. The people whose car he reversed into are standing in a parking lot at midnight talking to officers about insurance cards. They are fine. Their car is not. Joshua is charged with OWI 4th offense, hit and run, and resisting an officer. 4th offense, OWI in Wisconsin, is a felony, not a traffic ticket. A felony with mandatory minimum jail time and a license revocation that can stretch years. The hit and run adds a separate charge because leaving the scene of an accident you caused is its own offense regardless of what else is happening. He knew his rights well enough to ask for a lawyer 14 times. He did not know them well enough to not fall asleep behind the wheel outside a bar with officers already in the area. He was released on a signature bond a few days later. The truck sat in the parking lot. Nobody moved it. Nothing in this video is legal advice. We are not practicing attorneys. All commentary is for education, awareness, and accountability. This is proof on record.